Hey guys, welcome to the Motor Club of America presentation. My name is Justin Mueller. At the time of making this video, I am 21 years old, and I've been working full-time with this company for the past year and a half, 100% from my smartphone and from my laptop. For this video, I want to go ahead and show you exactly what products we offer and just kind of talk to you about the opportunity to let you know that anyone can do this. You know, if I could do this at this age full-time, then I have no doubt that you could do this part-time, full-time, whatever your income goals are. This company can help you fulfill that goal. So without further ado, let's get started. Did you know that 95% of drivers across the US have experienced some kind of undrivable vehicle on at least one occasion? You know, it makes sense. We live in a country filled with 300 plus million individuals, and it's almost impossible to leave your home and not find a vehicle that's broken down on the side of the street and they're trying to get called for roadside assistance or any kind of service to help them. Out of those 95% of drivers, 74% of them had a flat tire, and 45% of those drivers had some kind of mechanical breakdown. So let's say you blew your gasket, or maybe your battery died. You know, there's a lot of different things that could happen on the road, so you always need to have something to protect you 24/7. And did you know that 1 out of 5 US drivers will receive a speeding ticket this year? In 2017, the time of making this video, there are over 300 million citizens living in this country. So 20% of those would be over 60 million individuals that are going to receive a speeding ticket this year. And let's look at the average cost. The average cost of a speeding ticket is going to be about $152 per ticket. About 112,000 tickets are given on a daily basis, and $6.2 billion in tickets will be given per year. That right there is an insane amount of money, and we want to help you get that reduced to zero. So right here, this is an actual screenshot from one of my personal customers' accounts. So back in December of 2014, he got a ticket for careless driving. So what happened was he told me, hey Justin, I got into this accident on the road and the police officer gave me a ticket. What can MCA do to help me? And I said, don't worry about it. Stay calm. All you have to do is call the phone number on the back of your MCA membership card and they're going to help you take care of everything. So what happened was he called the phone number on the back of his membership card, and MCA immediately appointed him an attorney. The attorney went to court. The attorney fought the case and he won. The attorney called him back a few days later and he said, hey, congratulations, I fought off the ticket and you owe me nothing. All of that came from the MCA service. But of course, I have to say this, MCA does not guarantee that they're going to win 100% of the cases that they fight for you in court. But what I can tell you is that they have over a 92% success rate in defending their members in court with their TVC lawyers, which is pretty fantastic if you ask me. Now let's go into more of the benefits that you're provided here with the MCA membership. You're provided with 24/7 roadside assistance, and this is unlimited. Here's an example. You can get emergency towing up to 100 miles per tow to any destination of your choice. Do you know somebody that's a mechanic? Do you know somebody that can help you and they're car savvy but you're not? But let's say you don't want to go to a dealership, you don't want to go to a mechanic that you don't know, and they're going to charge you hundreds if not thousands of dollars to work on your car. Well, you can get MCA to tow your vehicle to your friend's house that's a mechanic, and they can help you out if you really want to. That's one scenario that we notice a lot of our customers are using it for, so they can save money that way. We also provide you with jump start, flat tire change, fuel delivery, lockout service. Any situation that you're going to encounter on the road, MCA would be there to assist you. So now let's go on to legal defense coverage. MCA pays your attorney fees for covered auto police charges, up to $200 for covered moving violations, up to $500 covered auto related personal injury matters, up to $500 covered vehicle damage issues, up to $2,000 for covered auto-related negligent homicide or vehicular manslaughter. Now those are some pretty insane benefits that you're going to get all in one big package. Now let's go into the emergency travel benefits. MCA is going to provide you with car rental coverage up to $500 for a rental car if your covered auto is not drivable due to an auto accident. So let's say you get into a serious accident and you can't drive your vehicle anymore. So what are you going to do if you're driving down the road and you completely wreck your car, right? Obviously you can't drive your car anymore because it's wrecked and you have to go get it fixed. So what you can do is you can go get a rental car, and MCA is going to cover it up to $500 so you can drive that car in the meantime while your regular car is getting fixed. And we have a stolen vehicle reward. So if your car is stolen, MCA will help get it back faster by offering a $5,000 reward. Keep in mind that this reward cannot be paid to the member or a relative of the member. So that right there is just one less reason a thief is going to want to steal your car, because in your membership package you receive by mail, you're able to attach this sticker to the driver's side window of your car stating that there is a $5,000 reward going to the person that provides information leading to the arrest and conviction of the thief. So a thief is going going to think twice before stealing your car. MCA also provides you a farm and ranch reward. So they're going to pay a $500 reward for information leading to the arrest and conviction of anyone stealing your livestock, saddle and tack, trailers, or farm equipment. Once again, the reward cannot be paid to the member or a relative of the member. This is just another benefit to have, especially if you live on a farm. We also have credit card protection. So if your credit cards are stolen, MCA will cover any false charges up to $1,000. We also have personalized travel reservations. So that means you can call MCA's member service department and they will arrange your airline, hotel, or car rental needs using your credit cards. Now let's get into the medical expense benefits. And this is personally one of my favorite benefits because when life hits you hard, you need to have a backup. If you go to the emergency room as a result of a covered accident, you can receive up to $500 with up to $100 payout for cast, splints, ambulance, anesthetic, x-rays, and ER room costs. We also have a daily hospital benefit, which we have a lot of members using right now as we speak. If you were hospitalized as a result of a covered accident, MCA will cover your stay for up to $150 per day for an entire year. So this is why this benefit is so huge. It's because let's say you work a job and you can't work your job because you're in the hospital. Let's say you're going to be in a hospital for 3 months straight. Do you know how bad that's going to impact your finances? Do you know how bad that's going to impact your ability to, continue working at your job and continue getting that income? This is where the MCA membership is going to come to your rescue, is by providing you with those finances. It'll make up for the amount of money that you lost by not being at work. We also have an accidental death benefit. Now, you probably noticed that at your bank, you received a form saying, hey, fill out this form by this specific date so you can be enrolled into our accidental death benefit. You will probably notice that on that form, they give you less than $5,000 if you were to die as an accident. Well, MCA has you covered because we're going to provide you an accidental death benefit of up to $10,000. And this is going to go to the named beneficiary on your MCA account. So you can make it go to your brother, your sister, your mom, dad, anyone in your family. They're going to receive a $10,000 check because you died as an accident. We also have additional options available up to $50,000 per member. Now, the worldwide travel assistance benefit is immediately going to outweigh any other benefit in this program, because let me go over this. We have 24/7 emergency medical assistance services worldwide. So that includes emergency evacuation and repatriation services whenever you are 100 miles away from home. So medical evacuation, medical repatriation, non-medical repatriation, return of remains. So let's say you travel to a foreign country and you were to pass away in that foreign country, MCA is going to help cover the cost of returning your body back to your home. Visit to hospital, return of child, and return of companion. So as you can see here, these benefits alone is going to be something really good to help you, especially when you're traveling abroad. So can you guess how much all of those benefits are worth? Well, right here, it's $19.95 per month for the total security plan, and that includes all the benefits that we just listed. Now, you're probably just as shocked as I was, because when I first joined MCA, I had no idea that you can get all of these benefits for just $19.95 a month. That's basically $5 a week. That is one less cup of coffee you can get at Starbucks, McDonald's, and you can use that towards something that's actually going to help you, and that's actually going to help save you in the future in case a situation comes about where you need to use these services. This is why we have millions of customers located in the United States and Canada. It's because of these benefits right here. These benefits, they're just too good not to have. And with our cancellation policy, you can cancel at any time, and you can actually get a full refund within 72 hours of purchasing the plan. You will be able to cancel your membership at any time with no cancellation fee whatsoever. We know a lot of companies out there, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg just to get out of the plan, but we've decided, you know what? We love our customers, and we know our customers love us. If we do have to separate paths, at least you can do so freely. Now let's go over the income opportunity that MCA provides you. You've probably heard of this company all over, and I'm going to go over why. But first, let me give you a quote by Warren Buffett. This is a famous investor. He's one of the most notorious investors of all time. His quote is, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." And I know that sounds kind of harsh, but it's very true. And as an investor myself, as a business owner myself, I can truly attest to the fact that that is very true, because the days that I was working at my job nonstop, I was working every single day and I was barely making it. I was barely making any money. And once I joined this company, once I started to pick up the pace and started to make a lot of money, even when I was sleeping, that's when I realized, I said, you know what? Warren Buffett is right. because the days that I started making $200, $300, even $400 while I was sleeping, I truly understood that concept of what wealth building is like. So let's go over this opportunity here. So if you had a friend who needed MCA, would you personally share this product with them? After we went over all those benefits, you're probably telling yourself, heck yeah, I would want to have the benefits myself. So if you're like me, I personally want to share a product with people that I use myself. So let's go over how MCA is going to pay you for sharing this with people you know or even strangers. Now, before we go over the compensation plan, let's go over the reliability and the credibility that MCA has established over the years. The product itself, MCA, all the benefits we just listed, that product has actually been around since 1926. The company TVC Marketing is the company that purchased the company MCA, and TVC bought MCA back in 1997, and TVC Marketing actually started in 1986. So this is a company that's been around for many years, trusted by millions of individuals, and you can rest assured that you're in the right hands with leadership and quality of service. Now, here's how you become an associate. After you order your MCA Total Security package, one of the first things it's going to ask you is, would you like to become an associate? And becoming an associate is 100% free of charge. There is no monthly commitment. There is no crazy auto ship fee. You don't have to pay $300, $250 a month in order to maintain, qualifications to be paid. It's free to become an associate, straight to the point. We only get paid on product sales. So that means you will not get paid for directly recruiting another associate to MCA. You're going to earn $80 to $90 per sale to the Total Security plan. So after seeing that right there, I'm pretty sure you can see why we have many associates earning $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 per week with this company. You must live in the United States or Canada. There is no exception to that. If you live anywhere else, unfortunately, you will be unable to join. And at the time of making this video, you cannot join MCA if you live in Puerto Rico. One last thing, you must be at least 18 years old. There is no exception. If you are younger than 18, you cannot join until the day you turn 18. That is the law. Now let's go over the direct commission. So we have a few bonuses to pay you. And I'm not even going to go over the entire compensation plan with this company. It's because I don't want to confuse you with this simple presentation. You're going to get $80 per sale minimum to the Total Security plan. Now, if you refer anywhere between 1 to 4 members in one given week, that's when they're going to pay you $80 per sale. Let's say in a week you refer 2 people. They're going to pay you $160 the following Friday. Let's say in 1 week you refer 5 to 9 members. They're going to pay you $82 per sale for that week. So if you refer 9 customers in a week, they're going to pay you $738. Over here, if you refer anywhere between 10 to 14 members in one given week, they're going to pay you $84 per sale. So if you refer 14 members in a week, that's when you're going to receive $1,176. If you refer anywhere between 15 to 19 members in 1 week, they're going to pay you $86 per sale. So as an example, if you refer 19 customers in a week, they're going to pay you $1,634. And the last two here, if you refer anywhere between 20 to 29 members in 1 week, they're going to pay you $88 per sale for that week. So if you refer 29 customers, they're going to pay you $2,552. And the last part, if you refer anywhere between 30 members and higher, they're going to pay you $90 per sale. And if you refer 50 customers in one given week, they're going to pay you $4,500. So now after going over this, I'm pretty sure you can see why we have many associates earning a part-time income, even a full-time income. We even have individuals joining just to pay off their membership. Whatever your needs are, MCA can help you achieve those needs. Now, this is where the fun really happens, because in order to build a true residual income business, you need to have people working with you. And this is where it comes into play. Let's say you recruit an associate. So this is how this is going to work. You're going to get commission overrides. Let's say you recruit someone and his name is John Doe. Okay, you recruit John Doe, and if he sells a membership, you're going to get paid a $6 override commission from the company because you recruited John and he sold a membership. So as an example, if you recruit 3 associates, and if they each sell 5 memberships in 1 week, you're going to get paid $90 that week, and you did nothing because those people sold memberships and you recruited them. Now, as a better example, let's say you recruit 15 associates and you help all 15 associates make 3 sales in 1 week. You're going to earn residually for that week $270. If you recruit 15 people and if they each sell 5 memberships in 1 week, you're going to get paid $450 for that week residually. And once again, you didn't do anything because you recruited the people and they sold the memberships. So you're going to get those override commissions off of all of their sales. And as an even better example, if you recruit 25 associates and if each associate sells 15 memberships in 1 week, you're going to get paid $2,250 for that week. This is why we have many associates earning a lot of money here at MCA. And here's the pay schedule. We get paid weekly. We don't get paid bi-weekly. We don't get paid once a month. You get paid every single Friday from the sales made the week prior. So let's say today's Wednesday. If you're watching this video on a Wednesday, if you join today, you get your membership, you become an associate, and let's say you sell the membership the day you join. Next Friday, you're going to get paid your commission straight to your bank account. Here's an example of an actual screenshot from my back office. This was actually a slow month for me. I was working full-time on my company. I just started up a company back in this month in 2017. So I didn't have a whole lot of time to dedicate towards my business. But because I've helped a lot of associates refer a lot of people to this company, the residual income itself has helped me maintain that residual income. This is why you're going to see me hit $700, $800, even $1,000 in 1 week effortlessly. It's because I've helped many individuals build that business so I can get their override commissions. And this is exactly what you're going to learn in my training course. You're going to learn exactly how I'm able to leverage other people's work in order to build a full-time income completely from my smartphone and from my laptop. Now, of course, no income is guaranteed. This is a commission-based affiliate program, so your results are based on your efforts alone and no one else's. There was no limit to the amount of referrals you can bring to MCA, so the sky is the limit. Just remember that. You could have all the training in the world, but if you don't put in the action, you're not going to see results. And you get free training. That's the best part. So once you join, once again, like I mentioned before, you're going to get my free training course. It's a few hours long. It's going to show you exactly how I've been able to build a full-time income with this company. You're going to get my proven step-by-step marketing training for free, and you're going to be able to network with many other associates like yourself so you can team build and you can learn from one another on exactly what strategies work and what strategies don't. So that is the presentation for today. We're going to end it off there. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. This is one of my favorite quotes, and his name is Wayne Gretzky. He is one of the greatest hockey players of all time, and this is one of the biggest quotes that I live by in my life. I actually live by 3 quotes in my life. The simpler the better, less thinking and more doing, and you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. As you can see here, MCA fits those 3 quotes in my life. MCA fits the description of the simpler the better. You saw how simple that compensation plan was? You saw how simple the product is to understand? Less thinking and more doing. If you take action and stop thinking too much about what you're going to do in life, you're going to see better results because you take the action versus thinking about taking the action. And you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So if you don't take action, if you don't take the shot, you'll never know if you're truly going to become successful in this company or if you're going to watch your friend become successful. So to get started, get back with the person that sent you to this video, or click the link on this website so we can get your membership activated and so we can send you your welcome email, which contains our step-by-step training program. With that being said, we'll see you on the inside.